Hey guys, so in this quick video I'll show you how to activate the regular slow motion, because right now it's only the super slow-mo, but if you want the regular slow motion just like on the Galaxy S8, then this is what you have to do. You can see here that it's only a super slow-mo, so let's go to settings, scroll down a little bit to common edit camera mode, then click rear camera, scroll all the way down and you see that it shows slow motion and also sport, so you can check any of those. And then with these little arrows on the right you can move it up or down. I'm gonna put it right next to auto. Now let's go back to camera, and now you can see that the regular slow motion is right there. So that's how you do it. Alright, that's it. That's how you do it. If this video helped you, please subscribe, and if you like this video, hit the like button. Thanks for watching.